Good morning, student. You all are welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes. Today I will teach you English grammar chapter number 8, 9, 10. Why I will teach you today 3 chapter? Because these are based on adjective. First is your adjective, second is your comparison of adjective, and third is your parts of adjective. So let's start. First chapter is your adjectives. What is adjectives? You know in your previous classes. Yes, your previous class 5, 6, 7. Sorry, your 4, 5 class. You know adjective. What is adjective? Adjective helps us to know more about. Sorry, adjective helps us to more about noun and pronoun. Adjective helps us to more about noun and pronoun. So you just see an example. The hand has 5 fingers. The hand has 5 fingers. Yes, so you know the hand has 5 fingers. What is an adjective? An adjective helps us to know more about nouns and pronouns. More about nouns and pronouns. So let's see an example. The hand has 5 fingers. What is the noun? The hand. The noun is the hand. So what we know about hand? The hand has 5 fingers. We know 5 fingers. We know 5 fingers about the noun. So the 5 is adjective. The 5 is adjective and the hand is the noun. So you know what is adjective? Then you know how many kinds of adjective. How many kinds of adjective? There are 6 kind of adjective. There are 6 kind of adjective. First is your adjective of quantity. Adjective of quality. First is your quality. Second is your adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Third is your adjective of number. Third is your adjective of number. And your fourth is your demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Yes. Then 5 number is possessive adjective. 5 number is possessive adjective. Then your 6th number is what? Interrogative adjective. 6th number is interrogative adjective. Yes. So there are 6 kinds of adjective. First is adjective of quality, second is adjective of quantity, and third is adjective of number, and fourth is demonstrative adjective, 5 is possessive adjective, and 6 is interrogative adjective. So you know what is adjective? Adjective always help us to more about noun and pronoun, and there are 6 kinds of adjective. First you study the first adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. What is adjective of quality? What is adjective of quality? So first we learn adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. What is adjective of quality? Which adjective refers to a quality? Which adjective refers to quality? Which adjective refers to quality or show us quality? That is called adjective of quality or tell us. If we write tell us, it is more appropriate. Tell us to. Yes. So what is adjective of quality? Which adjective tell us about quality? Which adjective tell us about quality? That is adjective of quality. Example what? What is the example? Beautiful, sad, happy. These are the example of adjective of quality. These are the example of adjective of quality. Then adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. So which adjective tell us? Which adjective tell us about quantity? About quantity, that is called adjective of quantity. That is called adjective of quantity. The example of adjective of quantity is some, many, one. This is adjective of quantity. Then let's adjective of number. What is adjective of number? Which adjective tell us about number? Which adjective tell us about number? That is called adjective of number. So the example 1, 5, 2. These are the adjective of number. These are the adjective of number. Then we come to the next adjective. That is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? An adjective that indicates which person or thing is being referred to is called demonstrative. Means this is refer to a person. Refers. So which adjective refers to a person, that is called demonstrative adjective. Like mine, its, theirs. That is demonstrative adjective. Then possessive adjective. What is possessive? Shows possession. Which adjective shows possession? Which adjective shows possession? That is called possessive adjective. Like what? Sorry, the demonstrative adjective. Sorry, you know the demonstrative noun. Demonstrative noun you know. So like what demonstrative adjective? This is the this, these, those. These are demonstrative. And possessive shows possession. The example of possessive is mine, mine, its, theirs, his, hers, ours. Those are the possessive. Then interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective what? Which adjective ask question? Which adjective ask? Which adjective ask question? That is called interrogative adjective. The example of those are what, who, whom. These are the example of interrogative adjective. So we studied the 6 types of adjective. First is your adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tell us about quality. Adjective of quality tell us about quality, and the example of those are beautiful, happy, sad. Then the second adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tell us about quantity. That is some, many, and one. Then adjective of number that tell us about number. Likewise 1, 5, 2, 3, 6. Then demonstrative adjective refers to a person. This is this person or thing. Person or thing. That is these, these, those. Yes. Then possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. What the possessive adjective do? Possessive adjective is so possession. Like the example of this is mine, its, this, their. Then interrogative adjective. What is the work of interrogative adjective? The interrogative adjective ask a question. Ask a question. That is what, who, and whom, etc. are the example of interrogative adjective. So these are your what? These are your adjectives. Now you study in your previous class, perfect class, prefix and suffix. Yes or no? So in adjective or in noun, we just add the suffix and we make the adjective. See. So what is suffix? In a noun, after what we add, that is called suffix. And you just learn prefix also. So today we study about suffix. Suffix. What? Suffix. So success. Success is a noun. Yes, success is a noun, abstract noun. So we use full. Full is a suffix. Full is a suffix. Then we get what? We get an adjective. We get an adjective. Look. So this is a suffix. What? Full. And this is a noun. This is a noun. This is a suffix. Noun plus suffix is equal to adjective. Noun plus suffix is equal to adjective. So success plus full is equal to successful, and successful is your adjective. So many suffixes are there, like ful, full, al, ary, lc. Many suffixes are there. So this is your adjective and kinds of adjective complete. Then we come. You just turn your page and look the page. Look the chapter number 9, page number 57. Comparison of adjective. Page number 58. Comparison of adjective. You know there are 3 forms of comparison of adjective. What are those? First is your positive. Second is your comparative. And third is your superlative. There are 3 forms in your comparison of adjective. So positive. What is positive? A simple form of an adjective is positive. Simple form. What? Simple form. And what is comparative? When we compare two things or two person, that is called comparative. And what is superlative? Compare more than two. Compare more than two persons or things. So what is positive? Positive is a simple form of adjective. Comparative, when we compare two things or person, that is comparative. And what is superlative? Compare more than two person or things, that is superlative. Like an example, young. Young is your positive, and comparative form of young is younger. Young, younger, and youngest is your superlative. Youngest is your superlative. It's like your example, young. We put the young in a sentence. I have a young brother. I have a young brother. Then your younger. Ram is younger than Syam. Ram is younger than Syam. Then youngest. Ram is the youngest boy in his class. Yes, there are 3 forms, there are 3 examples, and there are 3 examples that is put in 3 sentences. So young is the simple form, so we use I have a young brother. I have a young brother. There is no comparison. But the second form, there is comparison with 2 people, Ram and Syam. So Ram is younger than Syam. When we compare between 2 people, so we use the comparative form, that is younger. Ram is younger than Syam. But last you see youngest. Ram is the youngest boy in his class. Means Ram. इधर हम क्या कर रहे हैं? राम को पूरा क्लास का सभी बॉयज के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. सो वी compare the Ram to all the boys of his class. So we compare Ram to more than two person in his class. So this is called superlative form. This is called superlative form. So you know positive, comparative, and superlative. So you just do many other examples of this. Beautiful. Yes. Good. Bad. Easy. Yes. So these four is your example, and we just convert into comparative and superlative degree. So this is called degree also. The comparison of degree also we call comparison of degree. Positive degree, superlative, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So what is the comparative degree of beautiful? More beautiful. What? More beautiful. Then superlative is most beautiful. Most beautiful. So good, better, best. Good, better, best. Then bad is worse and worse. Yes. Then the fourth is easy. Easy, easier, easiest, easy, easier, easiest. So in positive, what we use? More. Then in positive is positive always, but in comparative we use more, er, ier. Yes, but in the superlative we use most. Then what? est, iest. Yes, you just write in your copy when you convert a positive adjective in comparative form. So you use more, er and ier, and superlative form most, est and iest. Do you understood? Get it? Yes. Then we come to the third chapter. What is the third chapter of adjective? The 10th chapter of adjective is order of adjective. What? Order of adjective. Place of order. Order. Place of order or order. So what is the order of adjective? An adjective. What? An adjective comes into some order. What are the order? There are how many orders? There are how many orders, and what are those? Please see. First is your opinion. Second is your size. Third is your age. Next is your color. Then your shape. Then origin. Yes. Then what? Then your material. These are order of an adjective. So first is your opinion. What is your opinion? Opinion is what? What is your opinion? Beautiful. What? Beautiful. First week. 1 second. First week. So, what is the order of adjective? Opinion, size, age, shape, color, original material. When we write a sentence, first we write the opinion, then the size, then age, then shape, then color, then origin, then material. So, look, say sentence. sentence looks for some words. Bright, then small, then old, short, then pale, German. When we make a sentence, we just what? We just try to look to this table, this order table. First we use the opinion, then use size, then age, then shape, then color, then origin and material. So look a example of a sentence. Mother bought ripe red Kashmiri apple. So mother bought ripe red Kashmiri apple. So look, the color is red, origin is Kashmiri, and shape or the opinion. First we add the opinion. What is the opinion? Right. The apples are right. Then we use, there is nothing, there is the three tables are not in our sentence. So we just use what? We just use the color. Color is red. Then we use the origin. Then complete the sentence. So we can't use first Kashmiri ripe red apple. This is right, but you see mother bought red Kashmiri ripe apples. This sentence is not correct. This sentence is not correct because this is not the order. This is not the order of the adjective. So this is correct because this is situated in a order. But this sentence word was not situated in a order. Like red. First we add red, but not. First we use the right, then red, then Kashmiri, because follow the table users, follow the order table users, write or make a sentence. Then we just come to another sentence. He gave me an interesting old book. He gave me an interesting old book. There is two adjectives, interesting and old. So in our order table, what is the first? The opinion. What is the opinion? The interesting is the opinion. Interesting is the opinion. And old is your age. Old is your age. So we use, he gave me an interesting old book. Interesting old book. We can't use he gave me an old interesting book. We can't use because it is not belongs to the order. So he gave me an interesting book. It is belongs to the exact order of adjective. So this is all about your order of adjective. So and today we study what? Today we study the adjective, the kinds of adjective, and the comparison of adjective and the order of adjective. So you just sit in your home and try to do these three exercises of your chapter number 8, chapter number 9, chapter number 10. Yes, so you just stay happy, stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.